This is the final video to fix horizontal lines on your HP laptop screen. And if you're seeing those lines right now, stay with me, because this is the video you were searching for. I'm from Rexicht, and I'll share every simple fix so you can get your display back to normal. Are you also facing random horizontal lines on your HP laptop? This happens when the display cable gets loose, the graphics driver glitches, the refresh rate is wrong, or the panel starts malfunctioning. It looks scary, but most of the time it's easy to fix. Most videos online make this way too complicated. When I faced this exact problem, I fixed it using a few easy tricks anyone can follow. First, restart your laptop and press gently around the screen edges. If the lines change or disappear, it's just a loose display cable. Second, update your graphics driver. Go to Device Manager, open Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, and update the driver. Then restart. Third, change your refresh rate. Open Display Settings, go to Advanced Display, and switch between 60 and 75 Hz. A wrong refresh rate often causes flickering lines. Fourth, connect your laptop to an external monitor. If the lines show only on your laptop screen, the panel or cable is the issue. If the external display is also affected, it's the graphics driver. Fifth, disable hardware acceleration in apps like browsers or video players. This removes GPU pressure that sometimes creates these lines.